If you've been seeing ads for the Nuzzy Pen claiming it can instantly dry and remove skin imperfections at home with clinic-level results, you're probably wondering whether this is a breakthrough beauty tool or just another overhyped gadget. So let's break it down in a practical, no-nonsense way. The product is marketed as a quick at-home solution for skin tags, spots, and minor blemishes, and the sales page uses strong urgency signals like constant limited time discounts, countdown timers, bundle bonuses, and today only offers, which is a classic pressure-based marketing pattern and usually a signal to slow down rather than rush to buy. The brand also uses the phrase dermatologist approved, but there are no visible doctor names, licenses, or verifiable credentials attached, which makes that claim hard to validate. Another concern is the lack of detailed technical specifications, safety certifications, or clear clinical testing data, which you would normally expect for a device that interacts directly with skin. The before and after photos shown in promotions look dramatic, but some appear overly polished or edited, so they shouldn't be treated as guaranteed outcomes. On the other hand, tools in this category do exist and can sometimes help with very minor cosmetic issues when used carefully, but results usually vary widely based on skin type, lesion type, and user technique, and they're rarely as instant or flawless as ads suggest. So at this point, the Nuzzy Pen doesn't clearly prove itself as a scam, but it also doesn't provide enough transparent evidence to be called fully legit either, which puts it in a gray zone where caution, realistic expectations, and checking independent buyer feedback before purchasing